Ooh.
That's it! Time for a challenge! Whoa! For today's challenge, you're gonna be eating various candy. But that's not all. It's a 2-hand, 1-hand, or no hand challenge. Let's start!
Oh, yeah!
It's time to see what challenge you got.
Okay.
Yes, 2 hands!
Oh, it's better than no hands.
That should be easy, right? Now let's see what candies you got.
Okay.
Lift in 3.
3, 2, 1. Oh, yes!
A puppet? This isn't candy.
Ooh, double gummy burgers!
How come he gets a burger?
Ooh. Oh.
Can't believe he got candy.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
Huh? Where's my other burger? Miss Becca, she stole my burger!
Well, either way, she only used 2 hands, so it seems fair. All right, time for the next challenge.
Okay. One hand again.
Oh no, I got no hands!
Huh? Is that my phone?
He's distracted.
Hello? Mom, I'm in the middle of a challenge!
Now's my chance. Yeah,
Okay. Wait, what?
that's what you get for not paying attention.
Oh, fine.
What do you guys think about our challenges? Comment down below.
On 3 again?
Yeah, let's do it! 3, 2, 1, lift! Oh, yes!
Ooh. How am I gonna open this with 1 hand?
This is gonna be a piece of cake.
I gotta do something. Oh, I only have 1 hand, but I have 2 feet. Ooh, I got it! Feet are useful. Now it should be easy. Huh?
Oh, yes!
Looks like cheating doesn't always pay off. On to the next round.
Oh, 1 hand.
Oh, no hands?
Looks like I'm gonna win.
Oh, not a chance.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1, lift!
Ooh!
Yes, I got 5!
Oh.
I only got 1 hand. How am I gonna finish before him? Oh, there's 5 ring pops and 5 fingers. Oh yeah. Ooh, almost there.
Oh, one more.
Oh no, I need to hurry up. Time for super speed. Oh yeah.
Oh, I lost.
Yeah.
Looks like Lily took the win with 1 hand. On to the next round.
Ready for the next challenge, Max?
Yeah!
Wait, before we do that, do you guys like our channel? Subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Time to reveal. Yes, I got 2 hands.
No, not again!
Yeah.
Ooh, looks like Max isn't so lucky. Reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh!
Ooh, 2 hands. This is gonna be easy.
Oh, this is gonna take forever without my hands.
You have 60 seconds this round. Go!
Oh, she's so fast.
No cheating! And just for that,
Huh? I gotta start over?
Yup, that's what you get for cheating.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, stop! Yeah!
man.
The winner of this next challenge gets Crafty Hacks.
Ooh.
I want it.
Oh, 2 hands.
Two.
Good luck.
1, 2, 3, lift. Twizzlers. Huh? I have an idea! I can tape the Twizzlers together to make a really long lasso. This should be long enough. Now I just need to tie an end. Here goes nothing. Yeah!
Oh, Miss Becca, she's stealing Crafty Cat.
Huh?
Who's stealing?
It's Lily.
No cheating, Lily. You lose this round.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Oh, yes, 2 hands.
I got one hand.
Looks like Max's luck is catching back up to him.
3, 2, 1, lift.
You can't have cookies without some milk.
Ooh, cookies and milk, my favorite.
I got twice the amount of Oreos. Oh, I know what to do. I'll just mix all the Oreos with the milk. Oh, perfect.
Huh?
Do you guys like Oreos and milk? Comment in the next 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thanks, guys.
Whoa! How didn't I think of that? Oh, how come mine isn't mixing?
Smart move by Max. On to the next challenge. Ooh, looks like Max's luck isn't going anywhere soon.
Oh, popping jelly? This is gonna be easy.
Oh, how am I gonna eat this with no hands?
Huh? Oh!
Sorry, Max. Okay, next round. Are you guys ready to see what the next challenge is?
Yeah!
Great! But first, do you like our challenge videos? If so, hit that like button down below. 3, 2, 1, done! Thank you! Okay, flip those cards!
Okay.
All right.
One hand, yes!
Oh.
I got one hand. This should be easy. Oh, actually, that's kind of a lot of Skittles.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Huh?
Where is it? Whatever.
This is taking quite a long time. Oh, I know. Hi-ya! Whoa!
Whoa! Oh, man.
Wow, Lily, that was great!
3, 2, 1.
I wanna do no hands. Give me that.
Oh, hey, what are you doing? Oh, hey, give it back.
No, I don't wanna do
It's
no
mine.
hands.
Oh, no.
Ooh, looks like you're both only getting one hand.
Oh, man, it's all your fault.
Well, at least I got one hand. You ready, Max?
Yes.
You have 60 seconds this round. Go!
Here we go. Lift.
Ooh.
Oh, how am I gonna open this with one hand?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I know. We can combine hands.
Oh, Oh, okay.
Ah, almost there.
Oh, here.
Yours next.
All right. Oh, yeah.
There's only 10 seconds left.
10 seconds?
Ooh, who do you guys think is gonna win this one? Comment down below. 3, 2, 1, done. Thanks. Now let's see. Time's up. Looks like it's a tie.
Okay.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.